Welcome to another episode and video on my Arduino Yun, which is Arduino with embedded Linux. Open WRT Linux to be precise. It is connected with network cable to my own network, and originally it has also Wi-Fi for Internet of Things, but I disabled that. It is powered by USB, and it has also option for connecting a USB, and I'm using that for USB storage. Because I have connected the Arduino to a breadboard with electronics and some fischertechnik mechatronics, and I'm trying to do some data acquisition, data from RC circuit, from some phototransistor input, from potmeters, buttons, etc. Now the point is that by means of these potmeters I can change, I can regulate, control these motors and various LEDs. The point, however, is now that everything is being stored in an array, and there something is not quite alright. I've been trying to capture the values of these buttons, which in itself is not a problem, because you read the values that are read by the on the port, you put them in the array, and that's it, you would think. But to my surprise, one button is not being put in the array, another button, and a button is yes or no, on or off, high or low, and one of the buttons is, to my surprise, some weird value. So is it digital, is it analog? Well, a value other than 1 or 0 points to analog, so I have to find if that is indeed the case. If so, it is not correct. But another point is, when I read the array in its raw form, I do not see that value. Last time, if I recall correctly, it was something like 1534 for this button, and this button wasn't even detected. It was nicely 1 or 0, but not in the array. On the screen output it was, and this value wasn't even in the array while it was on the screen output. So something goes wrong somewhere, and well, in this episode I hope to find out what is wrong, and also to get at least some result in Scilab, because in Octave I get a nice graph, but not so much in Scilab. So let's see what I can get to work this time. So let's take a look at how things are going, and of course I have first to remove once again the existing data log. So that's one. Giving some data, and switch 1 and 2 are 0 and 1 again. That happened last time as well. Why is it 1 without being pressed? Makes no sense. So where do I have to look for that? Well, look into the code. It's this sensor value switch 2. Alright, where is it being declared? Sensor value switch is right here, but that's not the declaration. Here, they're being declared as integer. I could declare them as Boolean, because Boolean is either 1 or 0, always. Integer can be many things, as is shown now, because when I look at this and I look at this one, alright, let me press, let me go here and press this button, no, the other button, this button, button 2, which is now obviously 1, switch 2 is 1, and going here, alright, to the end. Okay, that is over, and more data please, and going here again. But there is nothing, there's no 1. And that is irritating. Why isn't it 1? And then again, it should be 2, 0 and 2, 1. So what is, so then I look here, somewhere. If I can find it. But what happens if I say Boolean? It's right here. Boolean is either true or false. Is it then 0 or non-zero? That's the point. I have to find out. Oh, by the way, sensor value 2, is that larger than 500? I have to find it here. Sensor value 2 is, oh see, sensor value 2 is 107, so it never gets this. Okay, I have to take a screwdriver. With a screwdriver if you need it. Wrong one. This one. And I have to make sure it is over 500. Oh, and that is of course then sensor value 2, which is right, which is right here. Alright, now it's over 500. That's good. So now I can press switch again and find out which value it is, and it is once again right here 1542. is that indeed the one where I am doing it? Yes, data to 2. So how can 1 be 1542? Again. Then here. Pressing it again. There's no 5042 again there. So I have to find something Y. Also, Y is switch 0, switch 1, changing from 1 to 0. Does it make sense? Input 7, input 8. What's with input 7? Nothing really. Ah. Oh, here. Broken. Aha. Oh, that's interesting. And that was. This is switch and this is switch as well. So now I have the curious case that this may be broken, which might explain why that might explain why this one is not being pressed and being 1, but it does not explain why this one is being 1542 instead of something else, instead of 0 right now. Alright, what I am going to do now is change this one into Boolean. So alright, command out, Boolean, starting as 0. And now, whatever happens, yeah, right, where is it again? No, here. If Boolean is 1, right, let's do that. I'm very curious. And of course I have to select the proper board and the proper port, which is this one, and go. Of course the password for first attempt to upload. Yep. Done, so I can log in again. Alright, and now I should do something that I haven't done before. Remove the date block text to start all over. And then alright, give some input. Then once again press the button. Yeah. So what is it now? 1240. This is impossible. This is impossible. Data 22 cannot be 1284 when 2a is Boolean. What is going on here? Okay, it's not 14 something again, but well then, switch to A pressed. Is that indeed the case? Switch to A pressed. Yeah, it says so. But oh, that is even worse. Because it gives the data that number even without it being pressed. This is 1 and this is... Oh, this is very bad. See? No matter switch, no matter the detection of switch 1 and 2 being either 0 or 0 or 1 or 1 or whatever, this data is being 1 and this data is being 1285. Alright, how do I... Well, there's another thing, of course, which is bad, because right here I apply 0 to them, to both. Switch 2 and 2A. Well, I apply 0 to them. Assign 0. It is an assignment. Value assignment. And Boolean cannot be anything else but 1 or 0. So what is happening here is simply not possible. So the only thing that I can do right now is adding print line statement, or print statement actually. Oh, come on. No, okay. And then console.println. Okay, so at least then I do know what value really is in there. It's Boolean. Boolean is okay. Let's and let's do the same actually. For this one. Except that I have of course to remove the A. And well, I don't expect to see much of it, but who knows. So yeah, let's see whatever happens. I could change this one into Boolean as well, just to be sure. Okay, let's take a look. Oh, yeah, then it would be very good if I, no, not this one. If I once again remove this one, and I can't do this one yet. Yeah. Okay, I'm in some data, and now I can view. Okay, both 0. Oh, and here we go again, 1. How is this possible? Oh no, look at this. Data 2 is now 7,000. And 1 is now 9. You got to be kidding me. Switch 2. Okay, hold on. So, wait, where are sensor values switch to A? Where is that one? Where is it? Oh, yeah, I didn't press the switch, so it's not there yet. Right. Yeah, that is something I have to do, of course, before it goes on. So, once again, I press the switch. Right. Yeah, you can see it right now. So, let's do so. Pressing the switch. Yes. Okay, now you see here 2 is 1 and 2A is 1. And now data to 1 is 1, but data to 2 is still 7,000 whatever. And I release it. And okay, now I press it again. And I get the switches. Yes, alright, so now I use the other switch. Switch 1 is 1. And alright, I release it. This does not make any sense. Okay, never mind. I am going to, since it is a switch and will never change, I change this into Boolean. Now both are Boolean. So, but yeah, in fact, motor button 1. This is motor button 2. Because one is or should control this one, and this one should control this one. Control as in pause. Alright, I haven't uploaded yet. Now. I'm going, unfortunately, towards the end of the episode. Right, we're there again. So, once again, remove and make ready to watch, and I have to re-sign in here, relog in. Alright, now now I'm very early, of course, with that kind of stuff. It doesn't make any sense. How can I put this into graph? Now I want to do, looks like a good idea. So let's do a new window and SCP root SCP root 2 being the IP address, and then mount data log.txt point go. Password, of course. Yeah, it's not a big one. Oh wait, I forgot something. Ouch. I haven't synced with browser. Oh, okay. Big mistake. Start again. Okay, not that it matters very much, but anyway, big mistake. Wait, right, so yeah, okay, new copy. Okay, slightly less data, but I don't care. So let's go to Octave. Then I want this one. Okay. No. And okay. No. I want to be in this one. This. Okay. Quit. And then I want plot. What does this say? Not too much. And well, I probably still can't do anything about this one. So let's open it and read some data, and then say okay, what's in A? Still all zeros. Not understandable. Although here it already says one array of 1 by 6. So yeah. Anyway, worth a try. Not working out as yet still. And with that, I'm at the end of this episode. So I still haven't figured out why the array is filled with wrong variables, despite being renamed like booleans. A nice graph, but what does it mean? So still work to do. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Give the video a thumbs up, like it, leave a comment or suggestion. You can also follow me on Twitter. Please retweet, like and leave a comment. You can also follow me on Instagram. Please like and leave a comment. I appreciate it if you would show your support by making a small donation. More information at the start of this video and under this video, and you can also choose to become a patron and have your name mentioned as a supporter. More information again under this video and on my website. This is going to be continued. Thanks for watching.